Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, bright learners. Welcome to our YouTube channel where we make learning engaging and inspiring. Today we are exploring how to use headers, footers, and page numbers in MS Word. These features can add a professional touch to your documents. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. First of all, section 1, Introduction to headers and footers. What are headers and footers? Headers and footers are sections at the top and bottom of each page where you can add information such as titles, dates, and other names. They help in making your document look polished and organized. How to insert headers or footers? To insert a header or footer, go to the Insert tab. Here you can choose either header or footer. Let's start by adding a header. Select this one. Section 2, Adding and customizing headers. How to add a title. After selecting a header styles, you can type the text you want. Let's add a title for our document. Give the title, header, and footer. To customize further, you can insert images, shapes, and even tables into your header. Let's add an image next to our title. Click on Insert tab. Click on Pictures, then choose this device. Select an image, then press the Insert button. Now your image is inserted. Section number 3, Adding and customizing footers. What is footer? Footer are often used for page numbers, document titles, or any other information you want to appear at the bottom of every page. Now let's add a footer. Similar to headers, go to the Insert tab, then select footer and choose a style. Select this one. You can add text, images, and other elements here as well. Write the text, the end. Section number 4, Adding page numbers. How to add page numbers? What are page numbers? Page numbers are crucial for navigating longer documents. To add page numbers, go to the Insert tab and click Page Number. You can choose where to place the page numbers, top, bottom, or even in the margins. Once you select a style, the page numbers will appear in your document. You can format them just like any other text. Section number 5, Customizing page numbers. How to customize page numbers? You can further customize page number. For example, you might want the page numbering to start from a specific page or use different numbering format. To do this, go to the Insert tab, click Page Number, and select Format Page Number. You can also choose to start numbering from a different number by setting Start Add to the desired number. Click on OK. Section number 6, Different headers and footers for different sections. Headers and footers for different sections. In some documents, you might need different headers and footers for different sections. To achieve this, you need to insert selection breaks. Place your cursor Where you want the new section to start, go to the Layout tab, click Breaks, and choose Next Page under Section Breaks. Now you can have different headers and footers for this section. Double click the header or footer and you will see an option to link to previous. Section number 7. Using quick parts in headers and footers. What are quick parts in headers and footers? Quick parts are reusable pieces of content or document properties that you can add to headers and footers. This includes things like the document title, author, or date. How to use quick parts? To use quick parts, go to the Insert tab, click Quick Parts, and choose the information you want to add. This makes it easy to include consistent information across your document. Let's find out our today's lecture on headers, footers, and page numbers in MS Word. These features can add significantly enhance the professionalism and organization of your documents. Practice these skills to make your work stand out. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.